আমার নাম শ্রী মানিকচন্দ্র পাল।
He is a poor potter. His job is to make pottery. He has been doing this for generations. How is he with his family? In today's video, we will see the struggling life of a potter. A potter's morning begins with preparing the soil. Because after a short time, he has to make different types of things with this clay. Poverty has been a life partner of a potter. But the touch of art is enough to erase the deficiency. The various handmade items give him a different kind of joy. Touches of art are spread around the side of a potter's house. After preparing the soil, the potter has to sit in front of the disc. Basically, with the help of these wheels, the potters use their own handicrafts to make pottery. At first, he has to turn this wheel with bamboo in his strong hand. There is invisible magic hidden in the hands of every potter. From a piece of soil, various items of clay come out in an instant with the help of his hand. Various types of earthenware items including pots, jugs, flower tubs are made at the touch of his hand. The housewife also goes no less. She also makes various kinds of earthenware with the touch of her hand. By working with the men of the house, she also contributed to the economy of the family. To turn the wheel, the soil has to be very soft and pappy, but not so soft that it melts. Too soft soil does not cause pottery, and it does not dry out in the sun.
আমার বাপ ঠাকুর দাদারা এই পূর্বপুরুষ করে আসতেছে, আমরাও করতেছি। এই আমরা হাড়ি পাতিল তৈরি করে পোড়াই বাজারঘাট করি, বিক্রি করে পাইকারি দিই। এই কাজটা করতে খুব ভারী মজা, কিন্তু এগুলো খুব কষ্টের মাধ্যমে করতে হয়।
When making a pottery, they have to make it all at once. If there is a break in the making, then the soil dries up and the pottery can no longer be made with this soil. Potter's wife is also expert for her job, and she also makes pottery with her husband together. When the earthenware is finished, it is laid out in the open to dry in the sun. In this way, after drying in the sun for 2 or 3 days, they take preparation to paint it. Husband and wife both work to paint these dry things together. Sitting on the field, the colors of each thing are applied one by one, and then they are stored in different places inside and outside the house. The next thing to do is to burn the clay. Potter picks up everything he makes from the field. And that's where these things are hardened by burning in the fire. All these burnt earthenware items were later taken to the market for sale. And in this way, the story of a potter's daily life goes on.
যখন আমার বাপ ঠাকুরদারা তৈরি করেছে তখন আমাদের এই যে মাটিগুলো মানে বিভিন্ন বই থেকে আমরা সংগ্রহ করতাম। আর সেটা এখন আর হয় না, এখন টাকার মাধ্যমে ওই টলিওয়ালাদের কাছ থেকে এই পুকুরতে সে পুকুরতে মাটি আমাদেরগুলো কিনতে হয়। হাট বাজারে খুব একটা বিক্রির অল্প হয়, এখন ওই গ্রামের তো আমরা পাইকারি দিই, সরবরাহ করে নিয়ে যায়, তারা নিয়ে বিভিন্ন এলাকায় ফেরি করে বেড়ায়, যা ক্ষেত্রে তাতে করে আমাদের সংসারটা বেশ ভালোই চলে।